Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up the testimonials section in the vehicle booking management system. People trust other people more than they trust ads. So when potential customers see real feedback from people who've actually used your service, it goes a long way in convincing them to book with you too. Let's get started. Head over to your vehicle booking management system setup settings and click on Testimonials. This opens up the area where all your customer reviews live and where you'll be adding new ones as they come in. First, let's give this section a title. Click on the Testimonials Section title field and type in something simple and direct, like what our customers say. This is the first thing visitors will read before they even get to the actual reviews, so it sets the tone for what's coming. Now let's create our first testimonial. Click on the customer name field and enter the name of the customer leaving the review. This puts a real name behind the feedback, which makes it far more believable to anyone reading it. Next, click on the designation field and enter the customer's designation. This could be their job title, business name, or simply a short descriptor like frequent traveler. It adds a bit more context about who's speaking, which can make the testimonial feel even more credible. Now click here to set the customer's rating. This gives visitors a quick visual cue, like a star rating, so they can gauge the customer's experience at a glance before even reading the full comment. Click on the comment field and enter the actual feedback the customer shared with you. Try to use their words as closely as possible. Genuine, specific feedback always lands better than something that sounds too polished or generic. If you'd like to attach a photo to this testimonial, click Browse to open your media library. A photo, especially of the customer or their experience, can make the testimonial feel even more authentic. Click here to select the image you'd like to use from your media library. Once everything's filled in, the customer's name, designation, rating, comment, and photo, click Add Testimonial to add this new entry to your list. Finally, click Save Changes to save everything. Your new testimonial is now live and ready to help build trust with anyone visiting your site. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.